If you're also thinking of buying an amazing Nokia smartphone in the mid-budget range, then we've got some great news for you. According to leaks, Nokia is all set to launch its most powerful smartphone yet in just a few days. This smartphone will pack a 200-megapixel DSLR camera and a massive 7500 mAh powerhouse battery. Yes, you heard that right, we're talking about the Nokia King Max 5G. So, if you're excited to get your hands on this beast of a phone, make sure to watch this video till the end. Because today, we'll dive deep into its full features, price, and launch date. So let's start. Features of the Nokia King Max 5G. Display. When it comes to the display, this Nokia smartphone flaunts a stunning 6.79-inch Full HD Plus OLED display, with 2K resolution, and a super smooth 120 Hz refresh rate. On top of that, it also comes with an in-display fingerprint sensor, and Corning Gorilla Glass 7 protection for added durability. Camera setup. Now, let's talk about the camera, because this phone is a photography beast. It features a quad camera setup on the back, headlined by a 200-megapixel primary sensor. The other three cameras include a 50-megapixel, 24-megapixel, and 5-megapixel lens, ensuring you capture every detail in stunning clarity. And for selfie lovers, there's a 32-megapixel front camera, ready to make your snaps Instagram-worthy. Processor and performance. Under the hood, this monster is powered by the flagship Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, ensuring blazing fast performance. And guess what? It runs on the latest Android 15 right out of the box. Battery and charging. Worried about battery life? Don't be. The Nokia King Max 5G packs a massive 7500 mAh battery, with 90-watt fast charging support, meaning you can juice up in no time. Plus, it comes with a USB Type-C port for modern, hassle-free charging. Price and launch date. Now, the big question, how much will it cost? Well, this beast is expected to be priced around $500. And as for the launch date, Nokia is likely to unveil it in just a few months.